Hi and welcome to another bite-sized video for PointStudio 8. I'm going to be explaining a couple small changes to do with the workbench or ribbon interface for PointStudio 8, as well as some changes to the offset line tool. To start with, on screen I've got a very small portion of a drive or mobile scan. I have that surface boundary on top of a dump, and I want to offset that line down to where it intersects my previous surface. So for starters, we need to select that line and then run the offset command. Now, rather than looking through the menus for the offset command, I'm going to type in our new search bar. It allows you to type and search for a command anywhere within Studio. What you're also seeing when I hover over a command is a very small preview window, which shows a glimpse of what the tool actually does. This happens for many tools, but not all tools within PointStudio 8. Hitting enter in the search bar opens the command. Our new offset line tool will allow me to project and intersect that line to an existing surface. Change the variables as needed and offset down to the surface. I'm going to retriangulate my information so you can clearly see the final result.